Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about hydrogen bonding in water. So earlier we've discussed what a hydrogen bond is, and let's go through the term again, a term given by Wikipedia. So a hydrogen bond is the electrostatic attraction between two polar groups that occurs when a hydrogen atom covalently bound to a highly electronegative atom such as nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine, or also there is a fawn. It's easier to remember it this way. And experiences the electrostatic field of another highly electronegative atom nearby. So this is an example of a hydrogen bond. While just to show that this is between oxygen and hydrogen forms the covalent bond, and between the hydrogen and the new molecule of water, there is a hydrogen bond. Now, things to keep in mind. First of all, it's very important to know that water is, we depend on water. Life is water. This is why we look for water when we seek, when we search on other planets, we see if there is signs of life, which is water. So structure is special, which makes the structure makes the water so unique and special. So it has a tetrahedral shape. And here you see oxygen, hydrogen, and these are two electron pairs that repel. Now, if you think about the electrons moving around here, they're not going straight through this bond, they're buzzing, always buzzing. This is something I keep telling usually, so you can keep in mind. Now, we do know that oxygen is a very electronegative element, which means that it hogs electrons. It keeps taking someone else's electron, which forms here a covalent bond. That hydrogen has this positively charged, and oxygen is negatively charged, and they're both exchanging. So they're sharing the electrons and pretending that they own them, but they actually just share them. Now, hydrogens are in first end of the molecule, and again, this is a covalent bond. And hydrogen bond is between the two molecules of water, as shown earlier. So you see here the delta minus, delta plus. So hydrogen is more positively charged and oxygen is more negatively charged, and electrons are more buzzing around in this area than near oxygen. And this negatively charged particle attracts to this positively charged particle of another molecule of water, which is where it gets interesting. And so that's how pretty much the bonding may look like. So you see here they repel, so they don't get the bond. Hydrogen doesn't bond with hydrogen. And so hydrogen bond is the key to water's characteristics. It's weaker than the covalent bond, than this bond here, but it's enough strong enough to give water a fluid nature, and that can break and reform, and depending on the environment also, it's key to take in the heat. Lets the water take in the heat, regulate the temperature, or key for why lakes don't freeze over completely, or gives unique characteristics of surface tension, evaporating, cooling. Another thing to keep in mind is that polarity is the key for it being the solvent, and polar molecules are dissolved inside the water, which is what we'll go through in the upcoming videos. But this was just introduction for you to understand what a hydrogen bond is, kind of a revision even, and to see how it looks, and just to know the structure and the work, how it works. Thank you. This is the resource I've used through Wikipedia. So I'll be posting this video in Back to School Biology playlist. I would advise you to watch the ones earlier, and also be posting it on pardon me, be posting it on the Facebook page. Additionally, check it out on SlideShare. I'm always sharing SlideShare link. Thank you.